Hey everyone, in today's tutorial we are going to learn about what is ease in and ease out in Premiere Pro. Here you can see in effect control in position section we have both keyframes. So we have selected both the keyframe and now right click temporal interpolation and here you can see ease in. While we click ease in you can see the graph. So the graph will be first it will be at peak and now it will lower down. So at first the animation will speed it out and then slows down. So what is ease out? To get ease out again select keyframe, temporal interpolation and ease out. So here you can see the graph is slow at first and speed at the end. So that's the basic difference between ease in and ease out. That's it for today's tutorial. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, keep editing.